welcome to Vlogmas day 13. My lips kind of look weird, but it's a cute color. But anyway, so I have a jam-packed day today. Today's my day off. It's Friday. We are going to IKEA to pick up my cousin's Christmas present, and then we're going to Korean barbecue and then karaoke. And I think I'm going to film with my best friend Grace. So I wanted to show you guys my OOTD. So I'm wearing a midi dress with a crop sweater over. So this sweater is from Shein. This dress is from Shein, I believe. This scarf, honestly, I'm not quite sure where the scarf is from. Korea? No, somewhere. The jean jacket is from Forever 21. The shoes, yeah, my room's dirty, don't mind it. But the shoes are from Boohoo. And oh, let me show you guys my clutch. And my clutch is from Banana Republic. Had to tie it back to the outfit. So my best friend's on her way, so I'm just gonna make my way downstairs and I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, it's a gloomy day out here in Atlanta. I'm with Grace. We're in IKEA. Look at the weather.
No, look at the pretty apartment buildings.
Oh, they are pretty actually.
Really
well, we're literally on our way to go get the coffee table. Honestly, I was supposed to film these questions, but I'm really just walking in and out. I really don't know if we're gonna have time to film any questions. Grace, you're gonna literally be like, why did we come here? I'd be like, I literally just came in here to get this coffee table. That's why we parked by the exit, because I know where it is. So what if they buy the coffee table? I'm so annoying. Grace is back there. I'm blurry. I think they're about to buy my coffee table.
99?
No, not that one. Hold on. Oh, thank you.
But I can't see you. Oh, cool.
Okay. I'm trying to get this coffee table before someone buys it. 004002. It's called the... I don't know.
I'm so amused because my camera doesn't show me what I look like. This is so interesting. Such a cool camera.
004. I'm so concentrated right now. Like 004. Oh, so close.
We've reached a dead end.
Okay. We're gonna go find someone. Okay, so guys, I was driving to IKEA. It took us 2 hours. Over 2 hours, like 2 hours and a half or something like that. I'm gonna ask Grace a few questions. Be patient with her because she is driving. So, Grace, am I more afraid of spiders or snakes?
Spiders.
Yeah, she does. I think, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys what we're doing. I'm asking her like questions, friend questions, you know. I did the other half on her channel, so I'll put the link down below. So let me think. Is Grace more afraid of spiders or snakes? I say snakes.
I think spiders.
Really?
Yeah.
I really didn't think you were that afraid of spiders.
I don't think a snake would just come up and bite me. But I heard you swallow a bunch of spiders every day.
Yeah, but you don't know, so.
I still think spiders. You're wrong.
Anyways, so these are so easy for you to guess about me. Do I take my car to have it washed or leave it dirty until it rains?
Leave it dirty till it rains. She doesn't know how to adult.
Okay, it's true. I only went and got my car washed once ever. Usually if my car ever gets washed, proud. My uncle is the one that does it for me. I say for Grace, she goes to get her car washed.
Yes.
Yeah, she does way more than me though.
But when it rains, I'm just pleasantly glad. I'm just glad.
Yeah.
I'm just happy.
Name 3 things we completely 100% agree on. I can think of some shady stuff, but
I can think of stupid stuff.
Yeah. Well, this is hard. 1,
that J Park is hot.
Okay.
2, quickly boba is good.
Yeah.
3.
This is a really hard question.
Oh. 3. I don't know if we agree, but we both have Korean boyfriends.
Oh my gosh, be quiet. Anyway, I say 1, that going to the gym in the morning is terrible and hard to do. Absolutely. That Iron Age is not as good as it was when it opened. And ooh, I don't know.
But they're always stumps.
Yeah. It's just hard to think of right now.
Dude, I'm glad I did turn left.
Oh, well, there's something I could think of, but I'm gonna bleep it out because it's kind of shady. That.
We don't 100% agree on that.
Really?
No.
Oh, let me think. Oh, another shady thing that
Yeah. Okay.
you can't say you don't.
I just word things differently, but I do agree.
Yes. All right. I have to bleep those out because they're shady. But anyway, that's all I could think of. I'm not shady. So, what do I order at a bar?
Dude, the car behind me needs to turn his lights on.
Oh yeah.
When we went to J Park, you said something sweet. But
Ooh. Okay. Okay.
At Bahama Breeze,
So okay. How about this? So, number one, tell me what my favorite drink is, like alcoholic beverage, and number two, tell me like what kind of taste I like in a drink. I can probably tell you.
You don't like sweet. Oh shit. You don't like sour. Oh shit. You don't like coconut.
I don't like coconut, but that's not okay.
She doesn't like coconut in her drink. Do your favorite?
Okay. Let me.
Wait, you like soju?
No. So anyway, let me do it first so you know where I'm trying to go. So I think your favorite drink is that yogurt soju thing. You always talked about it for a long time.
You're wrong.
What?
That is one that I would. You're right. Overall, you answered the question correctly, but because you divided the question up.
Okay, then I'm gonna tell you the taste.
You got it.
Grace likes more of a sweet taste, I feel like, with drinks.
Sweet, yeah. But you got it. If you didn't divide the question up, you would have got it right because you divided, you got it wrong. You would have been right.
Don't kill us.
I do. The car behind me really needs to turn his light on. I do get yogurt soju all the time. That's my go-to. But ever since we tried that drink at J Park, that's my favorite drink. I just don't know what the hell it's called.
Okay, what's my favorite drink and what's my go-to like
Margarita.
flavor combo? Oh yeah, that's my go-to drink. That's my number one drink. Oh wow. Yeah. If I go to like a Hispanic place, I always want a margarita. And then, what's my signature taste?
Sweet and sour?
Absolutely, that is 100% correct.
I did it right the second time.
Yeah, you were like, you don't like sour, and I'm like, no, you don't like sweet. I'm like, have I ever stolen anything?
No.
You're wrong.
You're a bad person.
When I was young, I stole from like this festival thing or something at my school.
I feel like you told me. And
and I was like trying to like run away or something, and the lady literally ran behind me and like hit me so hard. Like, you cannot steal from people in Jamaica. You'll probably die. Luckily I was a kid. My arm's getting tired. But Grace, I think you have. Probably when you were younger. What's the most significant thing?
I have. I stole some fireworks from my brother.
Does that count? I guess.
And besides that, I have not.
Okay.
I am a goody two-shoes.
Same. But yes, that was it for our questions. If there's other things you want to know about us or our friendship, let me know. Comment down below, and we will see you at Korean BBQ. I'm taking her to a new spot. So we're at Korean BBQ. These lights always like...
You've done this before?
I've done it before. Here? No, not here. So we finished eating. We're dead. I really like the beef brisket and the beef brisket marinated with spicy sauce. Those were good. I don't think those were my favorite last time, but they were definitely my favorite this time. And we literally only got through 5 things on the menu. We really needed a guide if we wanted to try a lot more things. But yeah, this is my new favorite Korean barbecue place. It's called That Korean BBQ. It's in Suwanee, Georgia, I think. My best guy friend hasn't seen my videos. What do you have to say for yourself?
Okay, as I've explained before, I'm not on Instagram like that.
Okay, but it's not on Instagram, it's on YouTube.
Okay,
It's not on Instagram, it's on YouTube.
I don't know the channel name. You haven't like sent me a message or anything.
He's fake. He's fake. He's fake. To think I was gonna invite him to my wedding, but now I'm really
Are you
reconsidering.
for real? Is that serious? It can't be that serious.
It's that serious.
Okay, listen, I'm gonna go home today and I'm gonna watch every single video.
That's 90 videos.
You think I won't watch 90 videos?
That's 90 videos.
I literally do nothing right now. I will watch all 90 videos.
So we're done doing karaoke. No one cares about you.
Thank you.
Alright. Grace is putting on her jacket. There's our friend Hofi. I think that's IU?
Yeah.
We're gonna go home now. It's only 10:14. Hi guys, it's Vlogmas day 15 and I forgot my camera at home today. I went to see my boyfriend and we just ran some errands and yeah, it wasn't that eventful and we just spent some time together. I have some pictures of some food that we ate. Stay tuned for next week's video. Bye.